For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
India registered 37,724 cases in 24 hours, taking the country's tally to 11,92,915. The total number of active cases currently stands at 4,11,133. The country reported 648 deaths in the past 24 hours, taking the death toll to 28,732. However, India's recovery rate continues to bring some relief to the country. The recovery rate in India now stands at 63.1%. As per Union Health Ministry, around 7,53,049 patients have been cured of COVID-19. Indian Council of Medical Research stated that over 1,47,24,546 tests were conducted in various laboratories across the country till July 21st, and out of which 3,43,243 samples were tested yesterday. States such as Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Delhi, West Bengal, Karnataka, Bihar and Gujarat continue to report a high number of cases in the country. Maharashtra continues to report the highest fatalities and caseload in the country. Maharashtra reported 8,369 new cases in the last 24 hours, taking the tally to 3,27,031. Around 1,82,217 patients have been cured from the virus. The death toll in the state stands at 12,276. Tamil Nadu reported 4,965 fresh COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours, while Chennai alone recorded 1,130 cases, taking the tally to 14,952 in the city. Tamil Nadu now has 1,80,643 confirmed cases with 1,26,670 recoveries so far and 51,347 active cases. The death toll in the state stands at 2,626. Karnataka now stands in the third position when it comes to the most affected states in the country, while Bengaluru remains the biggest contributor to the state's COVID-19 tally. Karnataka has reported 3,649 fresh new cases in the past 24 hours, taking the tally to 71,069 COVID-19 cases in the state. Around 25,459 people have been cured of the virus. The death toll in the state stands at 1,464. Delhi is one of the worst hit COVID-19 regions in the country. The national capital recorded 954 fresh new cases for the first time in the last 24 hours. Delhi has reported 1,25,096 confirmed cases with 1,06,118 discharges and 15,288 active cases. The death toll in the national capital stands at 3,690. India continues to stand at the third position after Brazil and the United States. In a shocking revelation, Sero survey conducted by the Center in Delhi revealed that 1/4 of the national capital has been exposed to COVID-19. The deadly coronavirus has claimed the life of more than 6.15 lakh people so far across the world.